Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ubani na? Ngizokhuluma ngocoach uPitso Mosimane. Sure abantu abaningi bayibuza ukuthi ke why iSAFA or iBafana Bafana ingakam-announce uPitso Mosimane as their new head coach? Because we have seen the reports in these past few weeks stating that uPitso Mosimane is the new head coach of iBafana Bafana. Remember ke earlier this month ngomhla ka-8 i-National Executive Committee idecide ukusho ukuthi ke uPitso Mosimane will become the new head coach of iBafana Bafana without meeting any personal terms with the actual coach himself. Yabo. Balandela lapho ke kwaphuma ingxoxo ezithi ke iBafana Bafana noma ke iSAFA kahle kahle imnikeze imali encane compared to abanye ocoach. Icamp yakhe uPitso ke yayiphindisela emuva leyo nto yasho ukuthi ke kumele kukhulunywe kahle regarding indaba zama contracts. Yabo, zakhulunywa ke indaba zama contracts bakwazi ukuthi uPitso Mosimane bamnikeze imali ayidingayo. Njengamanje nje uPitso Mosimane usezohola imali engango 10 million each and every year ekuBafana Bafana. Kodwa ke abantu abaningi bayibuza, hayibo, sisalindile phela bekumele a-announce last week uPitso Mosimane as the new head coach of iBafana Bafana. Njengoba nje next month ezoqala ama-qualifiers anina ayo i-AFCON lezodlalwa next year. Ngomhla ka-20 to 21 abadlali kumele ngabe sebese-campaign bayayilolonga, ucoach usebakhethile abadlali. Njengamanje kumele abe ucoach uyabheka abadlali azohamba nabo ayele kwi-AFCON, azohamba nabo ayodlala ama-AFCON qualifiers. Kodwa ke akakaqokwa njengamanje ucoach omusha weBafana Bafana. So indaba engiyizwayo ukuthi ke why uPitso Mosimane engakabekwa as ucoach, it's because kukhona izinto ezikhona internally kuyona iSAFA engamphathi kahle ubani na uPitso. uPitso ke ufana njengobani na, ufana njengoRhulani Mgwena. uRhulani Mgwena each and everywhere he goes uthanda ukuhamba neteam yakhe asebenzisana nayo, abantu abathembayo azokwazi ke methatha ama decisions bakwazi ke bamsize. Ubokunake uPitso Mosimane most of his time uma clubs aseke our coach vele before uhleze ezohamba nabantu abayi1. Yabo, so ngokuzwa kwami ufuna ianalyst yakhe ne-fitness trainer yakhe ize kuBafana Bafana boba uthula obantu banikezwe ama contracts azokwazi ke asebenzise nabo. UKabelo Rangowanga, uKabelo Rangowanga wasebenza naye kuMamelodi Sundowns, basebenza kuMamelodi Sundowns basuka kuSundowns bayale kwiAl Ahly, basuka kwiAl Ahly bayale kumanye ama-club. Yabo, so basebenzisane naye isikhathi esiningi. Banibona nje bafethu i-fitness trainer yakhe ikhona la. Mase ukuthi ke nayi analyst ayifunayo uPitso Mosimane afuna nayo ithole i-contract kuyona iBafana Bafana azosebenzisana naye. Igama lale analyst le bayibiza ngoMusi Matlaba. Yabo, babesebenza bonke kuyona iMamelodi Sundowns basuka ke bahamba le baye Egypt. Namba noKevin Johnson nayo khona, the former Kaizer Chiefs coach. But ke isikhalazo sakhe uPitso Mosimane sisimple kakhulu ukuthi ke kulandwe abantu afuna ukuthi ke asebenzisane nabo kuphela. And ke lokhu kwenza iSAFA ingabi happy kakhulu ngalento le efuna uPitso Mosimane, because yona iSAFA ngokwayo ibona kungcono kubiyona eqoka abantu ekumele basebenzisane nayo uPitso. Yabo, ngokubona kwabo akumele uPitso afike esezoshaya u5 engakaqokwa as ucoach weBafana Bafana. Kusashiwo nje ukuthi ke bacabanga yena ukuthi ke abe ucoach wayeBafana Bafana. Yabo, akakasayidwa phansi ukuthi ke cha uwena ozoba ucoach. Yabo, seyikhulunyiwe vele ingxoxo zeimali, kwasho ukuthi ke uzohola imali kanje, wena ke umele usitshele ukuthi ke uzoqala nini and ke thina sizokuqashela abantu ekumele ke uqali nabo usebenzisane nabo. Pitso akufuni lokho, ufuna abantu bakhe. The reason why ufuna abantu bakhe, ufuna vele abantu asewini nabo isikhathi eside. Lento le icreate i-team yangempela. Yabo, icreate i-team yangempela, angabi nje nabantu mebatshela into bangayithathi serious. Yabo, ufuna ukutshela abantu vele sebehambile naye ibanga elide. And lento le yenza uPitso Mosimane iyayidelay ngempela iSAFA naye iBafana Bafana, because kumele njengamanje ucoach Helman Mkhelele naye ugoalkeeper coach lo ba ready nje ngempela, njengamanje ba busy akhetha isquad ekumele khanjwe naso. Yabo, so njengamanje there is a delay because naye uHelman Mkhelele ngenzeka phela mefika uPitso nezakhe angabi khona kwisquad eBafana Bafana. So naye akazi ukuthi ke kumele enze njani njengamanje. Kumele ahlale kuBafana Bafana azama ukuthi ke alungise lokho nalokho, noma ke athi ukudeda kancane abazi nabo. Yabo, bahleli nje lapha basalinde izwi elizoqhamuka naye. And ke bakhona ucoach engizwile ukuthi ke ngenzeka babe oplan A oplan B noma oplan C if le deal le ingenzeki yaPitso Mosimane neBafana Bafana, which is very very confusing because kumele ngabe lento le iyakade kwakhulunywa ngayo kwaxazulula ukuthi-ke uPeter Mosimane uyena ozoba ucoach wabafana bafana, kumele kulandwe i-team yakhe, yabo. Kuthiwa-ke kungenzeka uMolefi abe uplan B if-ke uPeter Mosimane kungenzeki ebucoach wabafana bafana. Molefi currently he's the technical director wayo iSAFA, yabo. He recently coached iBafana Bafana before uBros aqokwe as ucoach iBafana Bafana. Kwakuyena uMolefi. Ngiyamazi uMolefi. He was not a good coach for iBafana Bafana. Ziningi izinto nje ayingazenzi kahle kuBafana Bafana. So ngingezwe ngawe wena ukuthi-ke uzizwa kanjani regarding le ndaba lezi. There is a coach futhi engizwile einsukwini kuthiwa-ke ubefuna uyona iBafana Bafana. Uthiwa lo coach lo siya kwini now siya kwi-Algeria ngokuzwa kwami. So you can tell me in the comments, how do you feel regarding le ndaba lezi? Do you think iBafana Bafana or iSAFA kumele yenze ubulungiswa kuyena uPeter Mosimane ukuze-ke sikwazi-ke sibe no-coach o-happy one-squad esafe? Because I'm telling you, if they hire him with i-technical team angayithandi, ngeke azabe happy. He will be very, very angry. You will see even in the results, he will blame i-technical team nayo uzosho ukuthi how will I win if I don't have a technical team I wanted? You know Peter Mosimane. I'm just trying to do his voice. You know when he do his thing after the game. You know Peter Mosimane. But yeah, you can tell me in the comments bafethu wena ke ngokubona kwakho, how do you feel regarding the situation le? Mina ngokubona kwami, I think iBafana Bafana or iSAFA, they have to do the right thing in order to make the man happy, or try to figure out something, because isikhathi siyahamba njengamanje. iSAFA kumele icacise.